Does heaven really exist? Do you believe that it really exists? And also, why are there some saints also in other religions who have experienced heaven? They have this mystical experience of heaven. Also, some people who claim they died, that they have this experience of heaven. And also, some people who have seen the light, many of them in their near-death experiences. Here I am again to discuss a book about heaven, about paradise, through the eyes of Chiara Lubich. In this book, Chiara's Glimpses of Paradise pertains to a particular experience that she had in 1949, wherein she experienced entering and experiencing God in the mountains of Dolomites in northern Italy. It's a beautiful place, and I have visited it, and it's really like a paradise here on earth with its running streams, and I miss that place. But just to give a context of the Paradise 49, of course, it did not happen immediately. Chiara Lubich started the Focolare movement in 1943. She consecrated herself to God, and then together with her friends, they started to live the words of Jesus, practicing them concretely by serving those who are in need in Trent during the time of war. And they busied themselves in helping the poor and one another, so much so that they said after the war that they did not even feel that the war was raging because they were busy helping the poor. And for them, this experience of them during the war and after the war continued by their living the Word of God and by serving the poor. And in 1949, when Chiara was having her vacation together with her friends, she entered into this mystical experience. It's an intellectual illumination, not like the other visions that other saints have, like that of Sister Faustina or the children of Fatima or even Saint Teresa of Avila. But this is more of an intellectual vision, like that of, we may say, we can compare to Saint Ignatius of Loyola in Manresa. And this book tries to explore, and also John Morovic, illustrated by Christian Heinsdorf, made it so beautifully. She illustrated it beautifully. Also, this is made for children, not to make them feel or make them think that there is paradise as a legend, but for us to be encouraged in our Christian faith, because this is part of our Christian faith, that we believe that there is heaven, that after we suffered here on earth, there is the heaven, especially if we have been doing the will of God.
How about you? Do you believe the heaven?
Sure. As part of our faith, I believe that heaven exists because Jesus promised this in his beatitude. And even when he is at the cross, he promised to the good thief, "Today you shall be with me in paradise." Sometimes it's hard to believe in this, but this experience of Chiara Lubich, when she entered into the bosom of the Father of the Trinity, she experienced paradise, heaven, as something which is love, that there is harmony in creation, that God's love is beyond everything. And this is the echo that she heard. In creation, everything is love, and everything works for love. Hopefully, if you read this book, you will learn more of this intellectual intuition that Chiara had in 1949. And also, we can also say that Saint Paul even said, "Eye has not seen, ear has not heard, what God has prepared for those who love Him. Yeah, we are not sure logically if there is heaven or paradise exists or not. If not, at least we can say we have a beautiful story in Kiara in the Saints. But what if heaven exists? Wow, it will be another story.